guys, welcome back to Grandpa Garage. What are we gonna do today, old man?
Well, we got a couple options. We can run some fuel lines and get the 5.3 running in the frame, or we can rip it out and work on the front suspension. I don't know, what do you guys want to do? Those are our two options. Which road do you want to go down?
I think I wanna work on the fuel lines.
You want to get it running? Make some noise?
Yeah, same.
You too, E?
Yeah.
Alright, sounds
Blast my
good.
eardrums.
Hey, want to move this outside?
Yeah.
Alright, push it. That'll be good, huh? You know, fixing the noodle.
Yep.
Run some fuel lines today.
Yeah.
Hit my...
What did you guys do to the big boy today?
Turn it into Deadpool.
Into
Deadpool? That's pretty awesome.
Yeah, it's me, Deadpool!
Let's see. So these are going in our 46 Chevy truck with 5.3 LS.
Today, we're gonna mount this regulator.
Regulators!
Right here in the front. We'll mount that regulator and run the return line and the supply lines. And then we can start it soon.
Yeah.
Cool?
Yeah.
Where did we get this?
HotRod Fuel hose.
HotRod Fuel hose sent that over. They gave us one of their starter kits. Came with the hose and a bunch of ends, and we got to pick up the color, right?
Yeah.
We got all different colors. We went with gold. That's the engine. Alright, ready, kid? I got some lines made up. You want to go around the other side? We'll run them up the frame?
Yeah.
Okay, go around over there. Let's do this side first. Return. We'll run it to there. Gonna run it over, and we'll snake it through this frame, okay?
Yeah.
There. I'll pass it through here. And you catch it.
Oh!
Right in front of it. Right in front of it, and run her up to the engine. Going over top of that or under? Tuck it in. And you wanna make sure you leave enough room that you can drop this tank later. Alright, so can you feed it on there? You gotta thread it, okay? Does it feel good, nice and smooth?
Yeah.
If it feels like shit, don't do it. Yeah.
As you guys can see, we are running with HotRod Fuel Hose to help us supply our T-Rex juice to the 5.3. HotRod Fuel Hose started out as just a guy building a C10 in his garage, and it evolved into a quest to supply gearheads like us with quality, affordable fuel system supplies. Go check them out next time you need some performance fittings for your project.
Are you gaining? Feel tight?
Yeah. First try.
First try.
Don't you about the tries I did.
Good. We'll get some zip ties. Grandpa's got some zip ties for temporary. Okay?
Ow.
That's good. It'll hold. Alright, we'll run the regulator. This will be the return line. Return side. So I'll go cut it and put another end on here. What's up, B? Where'd you get that? Wasn't that full this morning?
Yes.
You're gonna barf, man.
You're a maniac.
Thank you.
You guys want to put this regulator in?
Yeah.
Here. You gotta take those two screws out.
You too?
Put it in there.
This is very casual.
Put them through this hole right here?
Yep, and then you motor up. Push the other one. her, dude. Send her home.
Cheddar.
Dude, you're gonna yak. You're gonna yak yellow goo.
Here we go.
Yeah, right to the back. That's the out. Yeah, now you gotta turn it just right here. Look, I'll show you. See this guy?
Yeah.
It spins.
Oh, okay.
Put it on there, get it nice and straight. I'll spin it. Yeah. You want it nice and easy.
Not too tight, but
Here, I'll hold it. Give it a good squeeze. Very good. Very tight.
yeah. This means the motor is basically finished.
We're getting there. That's the return line. Now we got to do the supply. The gas goes in, and that's the one that's returns. Put a couple more zip ties in there for now.
Yeah.
You guys want to put one right here?
Get a cheese ball.
My white shirt, you got me all cheese.
Dude, you cheesed your grandpa. You just... Oh, hey! Alright, come on. Let's run this line and get out of here. This is the supply. Hey, Noodles. Here. Don't pull it too tight, E. We gotta hook it to this, and then we'll zip tie it. And where it goes, it goes. That's enough. Stop pulling it.
What?
That's enough.
You put it on the wrong side.
No, right here.
Didn't you put it on the
Hold on, E. When you see it, you'll see it.
Bye.
Grandpa's out of here. Grandpa's out. Now we can go drink all his beer. Okay, that was the end of that reel of hose. So there's a good spot to put the filter. Remember this guy? We bought just a Wix
Oh yeah.
off the shelf filter, and that's the same kind that's on my car, and it'll be on yours, and then we'll put it on your car, so we'll just have a bunch of them laying around in the garage. And then we got these and 6 fittings to go on the end, so just screw it right on the end of that hose right there. But look,
What
see
is-
there's an arrow. See that arrow?
Oh, it goes that. Yeah.
See that arrow right
Yeah.
there? Let me see if I can focus. That's the way the fuel flows. So just like that, goes that way to the front. Okay, good.
Which?
You got it. You did it right, just like that. I'll hold it. You spin that. Getting it?
Yeah.
Here, I'll just take it with 2 hands. We're just doing this so we can fire the engine and see how it goes. Alright. Alright, see if we get enough hose to get to the back of the intake. Here, you want to put the intake on? Okay, let's put this baby back on. Thank you, sir.
The wind is definitely not blowing that way. For sure.
This is all we got left. Think we're gonna make it? Oh yeah, we'll make
Oh
it.
yeah.
We'll make it.
For sure.
We'll make it.
Woo.
Right up through there. Bam-a-lam. Alright, I gotta go put a couple more ends on this, okay?
Yeah.
It's gonna take me a minute.
Oh,
You
right.
guys wanna go chill out or something? Did you see this? Check this out. It's magnetic.
Yeah.
Goes right in your vise. It's for AN. So you put your fittings in here, and it doesn't scar the hell out of them, and it keeps them looking shiny. First one was kind of a pain in the butt, but
Shiny.
now I'm getting the hang of it. Now I can crank these guys out. Right?
Nice work boots, Vino.
I forgot my boots at home, man. Don't give me trouble. I'm copying Vino. You guys know who Vino is? You guys watch Vino Right Rods? You gotta go check out his channel. He likes to weld in sandals. So Big Kid here gave him some heck one day, and now it's a running joke. Got this from Aunt Rachel.
Shiny.
Aunt Rachel with the Mustang.
Yeah.
This is her wall hanger. But until we get a nice bed mount fuel cap, this is what we can put on here. If I can figure out how to do it. There.
I wonder if the monster's still hungry inside.
Oh yeah, wait till we start filling that thing full of gas.
Oh no.
Now we got a gas tank. More Ford parts on our Chevy. Uh-oh. Alright, here's the rest of your lines. Bud, you take that one. Yep, just like pull them a little slack. That goes on the end of the filter. There you go. Yeah, it sucks. You gotta have it straight. You got it? I'll get it started. Ready? There you go. It started. Now turn it, send it home.
Right.
Got her?
Yeah.
Yeah. That means it's tight. We gotta get a mount for that filter.
Now,
We gotta get a couple things. I'll make a list, but
where do I
keep on rolling to the back of the engine.
stop?
Here. Set that one down. Try these guys. We gotta run it. We gotta Y it. Check this out. I got a Y block. Y. Y. And then I made two little shorties. This one goes here, like this.
I'm guessing they go on like this, and then
Yeah,
this
put,
one goes
put
on
the
like
put
this.
the 90. See, that's a 40. That's a,
Don't drop it.
so this is a 45, and that's a 90. Put the 90 on there. Okay.
Don't drop it. Stop.
Don't drop it. And just keep it loose so we can move it and flex it around, and then we'll tighten it up. We'll tighten it up next week when gas spray's all over. Ready? And do the Y.
The Y.
Put the Y on here.
C-A.
Good, man. Good. Get her started.
I have to itch my head, like scratch my
You
head.
gotta tough it out. Can I pull the sticker off that?
I mean, sure.
Drives me nuts.
I know.
Drives me nuts.
No, I really don't know.
Alright. So the fuel comes from the pump. Just hit me with the cheese ball. Goes from the pump, through the filter, up to the back,
And I'm guessing
and
we hook
boom.
this up.
Get it straight. You hold it.
Oh.
There you go. Just want to make sure you had it on there good.
Squeezing the finger.
Okay, there we go, guys. Supply and return through the frame. Just temporary. We got some zip ties because we got to blow this all back apart, box the frame, and paint it. We come up to our Wix filter, up to the back, Y it to the fuel rails. Right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Right? Are you taking notes? Then we go up to our regulator, and that's where we're going to stop for today. I got a couple fittings that don't work. I bought this little gauge port one to go on the end of the rail so we can run our gauge, dial in our PSI, and that's the wrong thread size. And then over here, I was going to put another little 90, but it's too close to the alternator. So again, I bought another little part, nice little tight 90 to go in here, and I screwed up, and that's two small threads. So third time's a charm. I'll figure it out. I got one too small and the gauge port too big.
That's
So,
too much.
darn it. That'll be next time. And I have about 2 feet of hose left for the front. And we can put some gas in it, throw some power, and see how we did. You guys had enough for today?
Yep.
I don't feel so good.
You ate too many cheese balls?
Maybe.
Alright. We're getting closer to making some noise.
Yep.
Good?
Next time, Susan.
See you later.
Bye.
You seen your brother?
No.
Can you go find him? We gotta get out of here. Well, I see him. He's behind a big boy. I think he's barking.
I don't feel so good.
Did you eat too many cheese balls?
No.
Are you alive? Do I need to give you CPR?
No, please don't.